Good morning, all. I welcome you all for next lecture series. In this series, we are going to discuss about ARM architecture. So, before going to the topic, just we have to recollect or recap the previous class what we are discussed. So, anyone can remember or recap the section. Okay. So, we just recall the informations. So, what is meant by ARM? Why it is called ARM? Yes, it is a RISC instruction set computer based architecture, and the type of architecture also we are discussed, I think so, right? Yes, it is three type of Cortex architecture. It consists one is A, R, and M. That is Cortex A, Cortex R, and Cortex M. So Cortex A consists of only for it is applicable only for applications, and R series application for real time, and for M series applications for microcontroller. And what is the uses of microcontroller? That is ARM processor. Yes, it is used for music player and smartphones and the tablets, and for normally it is used for electronics devices. So because of it consists of few resistors and a few instruction sets only it is used. So all those things we are discussed in the last class. So let's see the architecture of ARM processor. So it consists of several blocks. Normally, blocks are say about the operations of the instruction, and the arrow marks normally mention the flow of data, and the lines are mention the buses. So it consists of A bus and B bus. Here you see the buses. It is the V bus and it is A bus, and other buses is also there. It is ALU bus. So ALU buses are connected to the ALU to register bank and address registers. What is meant by address register? What type of buses are available? I think we are discussing 86 and 51 also. What is meant by bus? Yes, it is a group of wires we can say, and to transfer the data from one that is destination to this from one block to another block, that we can say like that, and source to destination it transfer the data. It is the right answer. And I think we have to see the blocks. What are the blocks it consists in the architecture? One is address register, and then incrementer, register bank, multiple registers, barrel shifter, and ALU, data out register, data in register, and instruction decoder and controller. So normally, what is the uses of blocks? First we have to say, and then we say the flows. What is mean by instruction decoder and controller? Yes, this first the instructions is fetched by the, that is normally there are three instructions, three works we have to do by the CPU. One is fetch, decode, and execute. So first the instructions fetched through the database and sent to the instruction decoder. The instructions are decoded and transferred to where it is to where it is transferred. That is to go to the say ALU, or go to the barrel shifter, or go to the address registers, or go to the memory. So it is decided by the controller. That's why it's considered as the instruction decoder and the controller. And what is maybe address register? I think I have asked the question type of register buses. So I think data bus, address bus, and control bus. So normally I said the control bus based on the data transferred to where it is based on the operand or based on the instructions is transferred to the memory or IO devices or to the registers. So it is called as the control bus. And address bus, it is carry the address of the instructions. And data bus, it is carry the data of the particular instructions along with the address, and it is move on to the register or memory or to the IO devices. So this is the address register, and it is mentioned 0 to 31 because 32 instruction bit for the ARM processor. And here it is the arrow mark. Here they are written as PC. So what is meant by PC? PC is the program counter. Program counter consists of the address of the next instruction set going to be executed. So here there is another block is there, is incrementer. So the next instructions address will be incremented by the incrementer. So register banks actually I have to we have discussed already. It consists of 16 address registers. So 0 to 13 it is a general purpose registers, and 14 is the linker, and 13 also we can say it is the uh, stack pointer, and program counter for 15. So program counter and CPSR, that is it consider all these registers are in the bank. So and multiply register, it is multiplying the instructions, and barrel shifter is the most important thing in the architecture, because the move data or rotate or shift is already pre-processed by the barrel shifter. And ALU, we know that ALU is arithmetic logic unit. It can be done any of arithmetic and logical operations done by the unit of ALU. So these are the blocks consist of the ARM architecture. So if you all have any doubt, we can you all ask me. We'll discuss. Thank you all.